Hey, what's up, Filecoin holder? It's a really great news, my brothers. To Filecoin is moving upward now. Definitely, the price is increasing now, minute by minute, second by second. And congratulations, all holders today. This is the profit time, my brothers. So don't miss this chance. Take a good profit, my brothers. But do what I tell you. I hope, my brothers, you will be get a profit now. Filecoin, one of the fastest cryptocurrency, my friend, is very badly dumps down in last, my brother, 7 days in last month, my brother. This is not a fake news, my brother. I just give you a real advice, real, my friend. Remember, this is not a financial video. Absolutely, I just advise you. And please, my brothers, do this what I talk you. I hope, my brothers, you will be get a profit and you cannot lose now. So my friend, in last 24 hours, 0.61% real profit now. The price is increasing now. So that's a really great news, my brothers. Today will get a profit now. And last 1 hour, you can see a 0.3% they are lost. And this is definitely, my friend, very bad to they are losing now. But I hope, my brothers, they will be increasing in upcoming time. Sorry, 0.3% they will be profit. Sorry. Alright, my brother. That's mean to this time Filecoin will moving upward now. But just in only you do this what I talk you, I hope you will be get a profit now. My brothers, my opinion is to please hold and wait for the end of month. Especially if you wait for the end of this month, I hope they will give you a profit now. But if you starting selling at this time, so the price is very cheap and they cannot give you a profit. And definitely this time they are completely lost now, so they cannot give you a profit. I hope they will be recovered, my friend, all the loss, and they will give you a profit. But don't do this mistake, my brothers, to starting selling, please, because a lot of holders already sell it and they will be completely lost. So you will be safe, my brother, from this loss now. So thanks for watching, holder. Hope you understand something new. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Please, you also share your opinion in a comment box, and my opinion is to please hold. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel.